Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed practice set 14.1. Now in this video we will start the next topic, application of formula for compound interest. Application means where we use the compound interest in the real life. So when we solve the application based word problem which are based on the compound interest, then in some questions the depreciation of population decreases the prices, reduction in rates falls the values, such words are given, correct? So when such words are given in the question, then R means rate is taken as negative. Very simple. And in some questions, increase in prices, increase in rates, rise in population, such words are given. So when such words are given in the question, then R is taken as positive. Very simple. Now see the solve example from your textbook, page number 92. Rihanna purchased a scooter in the year 2015 for rupees 60,000. If its value falls by 20%, falls means R is taken as negative. By 20% every year, what will be the price of scooter after 2 years? Very simple. All things are given here. Principal is 60,000 rupees. Rate of depreciation is 20%. False means depreciation. And N is equal to 2 years. So A is equal to amount obtained after 2 years. So write down the formula for A. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values here. So 60,000 multiplied by 1 plus R is minus 20. Minus 20 upon 100. Take the reduced form of simplest form of 20 upon 100. It is minus 1 upon 5. So after solving this, 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 upon 5. So it becomes 60,000 multiplied by 4 upon 5 raised to 2 as it is. So here the degree is 2 means take the multiplication of 4 upon 5 2 times. So after solving this, the answer is 38,400 rupees. So after 2 years, the price will be rupees 38,400 rupees. So here false means reduction is given. So the answer value is less than the given principal. Understood? Let us move to the practice set 14.2. See the first question. On the construction work of a flyover bridge, there were 320 workers initially. The number of workers were increased by 25% every year. Increase means R is taken as positive. Find the number of workers after 2 years. So here we have to find out the A because total workers is asked. See the solution. Write down the given things. Given P is equal to 320. R is equal to 25%. N is equal to 2 years. A is equal to question mark. So write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So put up the values here. 320 into 1 plus 25 upon 100 raised to 2. So take the simplest form of 25 upon 100. It is 1 upon 4. 25 4 is 100. So 320 in the bracket 1 plus 1 upon 4 raised to 2. So 320 into 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4 square. So take the 2 times multiplication of 5 upon 4. So 320 multiply by 5 upon 4 multiply by 5 upon 4. 4 8s are 32, 8 zeros are 0. Now 4 2s are 8, 0 as it is. So 25s are 100, 105s are 500. Very simple. So write down the answer line. There will be 500 workers after 2 years. Very simple. Now see the second question. A shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years if the increase in number. Again increase, this word is given here. So R is taken as positive. Increase in number of sheep is 8% every year. Firstly write down the given things. Given P is equal to 200. R is equal to 8%. N is equal to 3 years. So here number of sheep after 2 years is asked. So A equal to question marks. Means here we have to find out the A. So write down the formula for A. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values. P equal to 200. 1 plus R means 8 upon 100 raised to 3. So take the reduction here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. So 200 into 25 ones are 25. 25 plus 2 is a 27 upon 25 raised to 3. So take the 3 time multiplication of 27 upon 25. So 25 8s are 200. So take the division here. 25 ones are 25. Remainder is 2. Take the decimal point. This 2 becomes 20. Again it is less than 25. So add the 0 here. 20 becomes 200. So 25 8s are 200. Again same division here. So 1.08. So equal to 8 multiply by 27 multiply by 1.08 multiply by 1.08. Take the multiplication. So if we take the multiplication of all these numbers, then it is 251.9424. So see the after decimal point, first digit is greater than 5. So first 1 is added to the 1. So 252, this is the approximate value. So the answer line is shepherd will have 252 sheep after 3 years. Very simple. Now see the third question. In a forest there are 40,000 trees. find the expected number of trees after 3 years if the objective is to increase the number. Again increase is given, so R is taken as positive. The number at the rate 5% per year. Very simple question. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. Given P is equal to 40,000 trees, R is equal to 5%, N is equal to 3 years. So here we calculate the number of trees after 3 years. So A equal to question mark. So write down the formula for the A. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So put up the values. 40,000 in the bracket 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 3. So take the reduction here. 5 20 is a 100. So 40,000 as it is. 20 ones are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20 raised to 3. So here take the 3 times multiplication of 21 upon 20. Sorry, here 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20 multiply by 21 upon 20. Correct? So 3 zeros are cancelled here. 2 20s are 40. 2 10s are 20 and these 2 again cancel here. 2 5s are 10. So 21 5s are 105 multiplied by 21 square is 441. Take the multiplication here. So it is 46,305. So answer line is there will be 46,305 trees after 3 years. Very simple. Next, fourth question. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000 if the rate of depreciation, here the depreciation word is used, means R is taken as negative, is a 10% per year. Find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. Very simple question. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. P is equal to 2,50,000. R is equal to 10%. So here depreciation word is given, means is equal to minus 10%. R is taken as negative. And after 2 years means N is equal to 2 years. A is equal to question mark. So write down the formula. A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values. P into 1 plus R is minus 10 upon 100 raised to 2. So P into, take the reduction here, 0 0 cancel, 1, this plus minus become minus, 1 upon 10 raised to 2. So equal to P into 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 upon 10 square. So P into sorry, instead of P here, 2,50,000 into, take the 2 times multiplication of 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10 multiply by 9 upon 10. Please all the students take here 2,50,000 instead of P. So these two zeros cancel. 2,500 multiply by 9 nines are 81. So it is 2,02,500. So in the question, depreciation in the price is asked. So depreciation in the price is equal to principal, means 2,50,000 minus 2,02,500. So take the subtraction here. It is 47,500. So answer is, therefore, depreciation in the price after 2 years is rupees 47,500. Very simple. Now see the fifth question. Find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is rupees 4,036.80 at the rate of 16% per annum. Means here compound interest is asked and amount is given. Okay. So here firstly we calculate the principal and after that we calculate the compound interest. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. A is equal to 4,036.80 rupees. R is equal to 16%. N is equal to 2 years. P equal to question mark. Compound interest equal to question mark. So firstly write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to 2. So put up the values here. 4,036.80 equal to P as it is 1 plus 16 upon 100 raised to 2. So take the reduction here. 4 4s are 4 25s are. So 4,036.80 is equal to P as it is 25 ones are 25. 25 plus 4 is 29 upon 25 bracket square. So 4,036.80 as it is equal to P into 29 upon 25 multiply by 29 upon 25. Now P take at the left side is equal to 4036.80 as it is. Now take the reciprocal of 29 upon 25. So it becomes 25 upon 29 multiply by 25 upon 29. So if we take the division here, so the answer is 139.20. And again if we divide by 29, then it is 4.80. So P is equal to 4.80 multiply by square of 25 is 625. So P is equal to, the value of this multiplication is rupees 3000. Very simple calculation here. So this is the principle. Now we find out the value of compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is equal to 4036.80 minus 3000. So compound interest is equal to 1036 rupees. Sorry, 0.80 rupees. And this is the final answer. So compound interest is equal to 1036.80 rupees. Now sixth question, a loan of 15,000 rupees was taken on compound interest. If the rate of compound interest is 12% per annum, find the amount to settle the loan after 3 years. So here we have to find out the amount. So write down the given things. P is equal to 15,000 rupees. R is equal to 12%. N is equal to 3 years. And amount equal to question mark. So write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So put up the values. 15,000 into 1 plus R is a 12 upon 100 raised to 3. So take the reduction here. 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100. So 15,000 into 25 ones are 25 plus 3, 28 upon 25 raised to 3. So take the 3 times multiplication of 28 upon 25. So 15,000 multiply by 28 upon 25 multiply by 28 upon 25 multiply by 28 upon 25. So take the division here. 25 6 are 150, 2 zeros as it is. Again divide by 25. 25 2s are 50, 25 4s are 100. Now take the division here. 25 ones are 25, remainder is 3. Take the decimal point, 3 becomes 30. 25 ones are 25, subtraction is 5. 25 twos are 50. So 24 multiply by 28 square is 700. $84 multiply by 1.12. Take the The value is 21,073.92 rupees. So write down the answer line. The amount will be 21,073.92 rupees after 3 years. Very simple. See the 7th question. A principal amount, here amount is given to 13,924 rupees in 2 years by compound interest at 18% per annum. Find the principal. Okay. Firstly, write down the given things. A is equal to 13,924 rupees. N is equal to 2 years. R is equal to 18%. P equal to question mark. Firstly, write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values. 13,924 equal to P as it is. 1 plus R is 18 upon 100 raised to 2. So 13,924 as it is. P also as it is. Take the reduction here. 2 9s are 2 50s are. So 50 1s are 50 plus 9. 59 upon 50 raised to 2. So 13,924 is equal to P into 2 times multiplication of 59 upon 50. So take the P here. P equal to 13,924 as it is. Now take the reciprocal of 50 upon 59. Okay. So it becomes 50 upon 59. If we take this division, then it is 236. Again divide by 59. It is a 4. So take the multiplication of 4 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 50. So it is 10,000. 54 is 200. 250 is 10,000. So the principal is 10,000 rupees. Write down the answer line. The required principal equal to 10,000 rupees. Very simple. Now see the 8th question. The population of suburb is 16,000. Find the rate of increase in the population if the population after 2 years is 17,640. Okay, so here amount is given, principal is given, N is given. Calculate the rate. So firstly write down the given things. P is equal to 16,000. A is equal to 17,640. N is equal to 2 years. R equal to question mark. So write down the formula here. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values. 17,640 equal to 16,000 into 1 plus r as it is upon 100 raised to 2. So this 16,000 comes here 17,640 upon 16,000 equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Very important step here. This 0, 0 cancel. Now here the degree is 2, means square is given here. So we have to remove this 2 and see the 1600 is a perfect square of 40. So find out the square root of 1764. If we find it, so it is the square of 42 and this is the square of 40. So write down 42 upon 40 square is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 square. So taking the square root, taking square roots to both sides. So it becomes 42 upon 40 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. Now just change the sides here. 1 plus r upon 100 is equal to 42 upon 40. Correct? So this one goes to that side. R upon 100 is equal to 42 upon 40 minus 1. So r upon 100 is equal to 40 ones are 40, 42 minus 40 is 2 upon 40. Very simple. Now this 100 goes to that side. So r is equal to 2 upon 40 multiply by 100. This 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So r is equal to 5%. So write down the answer line. The population of suburb increases 500 every year. Very simple. Now see the 9th question. In how many years rupees 700 will amount to rupees 847 at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum? So here principal and amount is given, rate is given, calculate the number of years, means n. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. P is equal to 700 rupees. A is equal to 847 rupees. R is equal to 10%. N is equal to question mark. So write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put up the values. 847 is equal to 700 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to N. So this 700 comes this side. 847 upon 700 equal to take the reduction here. 10 tens are 100. So 10 ones are 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10 raised to n. So take the reduce form here. 700 is a and here 120 1 जा. So 121 upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to n. Now see, 121 and 100 both are the perfect square. So it is 11 upon 10 square is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to n. 11 upon 10 square is equal to 11 upon 10 raised to n, means if we compare this, then n is equal to 2, because the bracket values are same, means degrees also same. So the answer line is required duration is equal to 2 years. Very simple. Now see the last question. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on rupees 20,000 at 8% per annum. We know that difference between simple interest and compound interest for the first year is always 0. So here we take n is equal to 2. So firstly write down the given things. Principal is equal to 20,000 rupees. R is equal to 8%. N is equal to 2 years. So firstly calculate the simple interest. We know that the simple interest is equal to P into R into N upon 100. So put up the values here. $20,000 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 8 to the 16 to the 32. 3,200 rupees. This is the simple interest. Now for calculating the compound interest, firstly we find out the amount. So A is equal to P into R 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So 20,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to 2. So 4 2s are 425s are. So 20,000 into 25 ones are 25 plus 2. 27 upon 25 square. So 20,000 multiplied by 27 upon 25 multiplied by 27 upon 25. So 25 8s are 200, 00 as it is. Again 25 3s are 75, 25 2s are 50. So 32 multiplied by 729. So 32 multiplied by 729 is equal to 23,328 rupees. So calculate the compound interest here. Compound interest is equal to A minus principal, amount minus principal. So 23,328 minus principal is 20,000. So compound interest is equal to 3,328 rupees. Difference between compound interest and simple interest is equal to 3,328 minus 3,200. So take the subtraction here. So it is 128. So therefore write down the difference is equal to 128 rupees. Now the practice set 14.2 is over. Thank you.